Hello and welcome to my video where I'm going to quickly show you how to do the Make 1 increase. There are two versions of the Make 1, the Make 1 right and the Make 1 left, where one leans to the right and one leans to the left. As you can see, I've already knit a small amount of stockinette stitch, where I've been increasing either side of the central stitch, on the right side rows only. On the right of the central stitch are the right leaning Make 1 right increases, and on the left are the left leaning Make 1 left increases. To create a Make 1 right, you first need to find the bar, which is a horizontal piece of yarn between the needles with a gap underneath. This bar is what will turn into a new stitch. For the Make 1 right, you need to take the left hand needle from back to front under this bar, like so. I personally remember the phrase "I'll be right back," and that helps me to remember that for the Make 1 right, you bring the needle from the back to the front. You then need to knit that stitch. Because the stitch is basically just a yarn wrap, it is a bit awkward to work. I try and push the yarn forwards a bit to loosen it enough to get my right hand needle into it. Then complete it in the same way as a regular knit stitch. Now I'll knit the central stitch and show you the Make 1 left. To do this, find the bar of yarn, then this time go under it from front to back. So that's front to back. You need to knit this stitch through the back loop, which means you need to take your right hand needle down through the back of the stitch and then complete it in the same way as a regular knit stitch. Note that if a pattern just says Make 1 and doesn't specify, the default choice is usually the Make 1 left, but whichever one you choose, just be consistent. And here you can see the result of doing Make 1 increases either side of the central stitch. And that's it, that's how you do the Make 1 increase. I really hope you found that useful, and thank you very much for watching.